Installing new siding can dramatically transform your home's exterior, boost curb appeal, and improve energy efficiency. However, even the best materials won't perform as expected if the installation isn't done correctly. Homeowners in Clinton Township should be aware of common siding installation mistakes that can lead to costly repairs, reduced lifespan, and poor aesthetics. Here are some of the most frequent errors to avoid, and how to ensure your siding project is done right. Ignoring surface preparation. A clean, level surface is crucial for proper siding installation. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners or inexperienced installers make is applying siding directly over dirty, damaged, or uneven walls. Failing to repair cracks, remove old paint, or address rot and mold can cause the new siding to buckle or deteriorate prematurely. Before installation, make sure the wall surface is smooth, dry, and structurally sound. Proper prep work not only ensures longevity but also enhances the siding's weather resistance, something that's especially important in Clinton Township's varied climate. Incorrect nailing techniques. Improper nailing is one of the most common and damaging mistakes during siding installation. Nails driven too tightly can prevent the siding from expanding and contracting with temperature changes, leading to warping or cracking. On the other hand, nails that are too loose can cause panels to rattle or detach during strong Michigan winds. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for nail spacing and placement. Nails should be driven straight, not angled, and allow a slight gap to accommodate movement. Failing to leave expansion gaps. Vinyl and fiber cement siding expand and contract as temperatures fluctuate, a natural process that must be accounted for during installation. Failing to leave adequate expansion gaps between panels and trim can cause the siding to buckle, warp, or even pull apart. To avoid this, installers should leave a small gap at the ends and overlap sections correctly. These details might seem minor, but they make a big difference in how your siding performs over the years. Poor flashing and moisture barrier installation. Clinton Township experiences a mix of rain, snow, and humidity throughout the year, making moisture control a key consideration. Skipping or incorrectly installing house wrap, flashing, or vapor barriers can lead to trapped moisture behind the siding. This can result in mold growth, rot, and structural damage. A properly installed weather-resistant barrier keeps water out while allowing moisture vapor to escape, ensuring your home remains dry and protected in all seasons. Incorrect panel alignment. Crooked or uneven panels not only ruin your home's appearance but also compromise siding performance. Misalignment often happens when installers rush or fail to check level lines frequently. To prevent this, siding should always be installed using a chalk line and checked regularly for level and uniformity. In a professional-grade installation, precision is key. Each piece should interlock seamlessly for a clean, cohesive finish. Overlooking trim and finishing details. Trim pieces may seem like decorative extras, but they play an important role in sealing gaps and preventing moisture infiltration. Skipping trim or using low-quality caulking can leave your siding vulnerable to weather damage. Properly installed corner posts, J-channels, and window trim not only improve the look of your exterior but also ensure a watertight finish. Without the right experience, while DIY projects can save money, siding installation is best left to professionals. The process requires specialized tools, precise measurements, and knowledge of local building codes. Hiring experienced siding contractors in Clinton Township helps ensure the job is done efficiently and up to standard. Professionals know how to handle different siding materials, anticipate weather-related challenges, and prevent the common mistakes that lead to expensive fixes down the road. Final thoughts. Your home's siding is an investment in both beauty and protection. Avoiding these common mistakes ensures your siding remains durable, weather-resistant, and visually appealing for years to come. Whether you're upgrading for energy efficiency, curb appeal, or long-term maintenance, working with a trusted Clinton Township siding professional will make all the difference. By focusing on quality installation and attention to detail, you can enjoy a home exterior that looks great and stands up to Michigan's toughest weather. without the headaches that come from avoidable errors.